What's going on, everybody? Josh here with Shua Photography, and in today's video I'm going to review a ring from the company called Manly Bands. I've already done one review on a Manly Bands ring, and that was one that I purchased with my own money. I ordered a custom wedding band from this company and it's awesome. I absolutely loved it. So I did a video review of that and the process for ordering a custom ring from them. That video you can find right up here. When I did that video, Manly Bands was impressed, so they asked if they could send me a couple of their most popular bands for me to review. And now they gave them to me. I don't have to return them, but Manly Bands is not paying me in any way to do this video. They have no say on what I'm going to talk about. The first time they're gonna see it is after I post it here and you guys are watching it as well. I'm gonna do this in 4 different parts. I'm gonna do 4 different reviews of the 4 different rings. So what is Manly Bands? Manly Bands is a wedding band company or a men's ring company. You don't even have to be getting married if you enjoy wearing rings. It's a fantastic place to get something super awesome. So they have hundreds and hundreds of rings in different styles and different themes and all of that good stuff. We're gonna jump into the computer so that I can show you all their different collections and stuff like that to see if there's something that might interest you. Now, before we go into the computer, I do want to say that Manly Bands did give me a discount code that you can use to get 25% off your order. I do get a little bit of a kickback. Use my code right here to get 25% off your order from Manly Bands if you choose to purchase a band from them. I've also put their website, which is a direct link to my discount code, in the description below. So let's get into the computer so you can kind of see all of the different stuff that Manly Bands has to offer. Right now I'm in the best-selling rings section, but if you hover up here for shop by collection, you'll see all their different collections. They've got their best sellers, their new arrivals. They've also got a US Army collection, a DC Comics collection. So if you're into that stuff, you can get a ring there. A Fender guitar collection. They've got a Jack Daniel's whiskey barrel collection, by far my favorite. If you watch the video of my custom band, it is inlaid with authentic Jack Daniel's whiskey barrel. They've got a Major League Baseball collection if you're into baseball. They've got all these different collections. Check it out, see if there's something you like. And again, if there isn't something that is exactly the way you want it, you can come up here to the custom bands section and put in all the information to order your own custom band. So what ring are we going to be discussing today? In this video, we're going over the Journeyman. The Journeyman is a very unique ring and it's super awesome. It's not my favorite because of my personal taste, but it's an awesome ring. All right, so let's go ahead and get to the overhead shot and show you how these rings come. This is gonna come from FedEx. It's gonna come, you know, nicely packaged in a bubble wrap bag. And this is the box you're gonna get. Obviously it says Manly Bands on it. And when you open this, you're gonna get this little card. This little card has a bunch of different stuff in it, just talks to you about different things about the company and how to take care of it and where to share all your pictures and all that good stuff. Just comes in here. Then what is in here is this little packet that is full of special offers from their valued partners. My favorite part about the packaging of this ring is the actual container that the ring comes in. Similar to a Pelican case, it's a very nice, rugged, hard plastic, weather sealed case that your ring comes in. It's a very nice case. I actually took an extra one of these from one of the rings that Manly Bands just sent me, and I actually am now using it as a memory card case for my cameras. And at the end, I'll go ahead and kind of show you how I did that. So these are awesome cases. You can use them for pretty much anything you want. Very nice cases. So what you're going to do is you're going to flip the lock right here, and then you are going to open it and check out your ring. Boom, there you go. You're greeted with a little saying, "Badass band, man." It also comes with what they call their wingman, which is a silicone ring. The silicone ring comes with every band you order. So it's a very nice, high quality silicone ring. You can open that up. The reason they give this to you is because you're spending potentially a lot of money on a wedding band, and some of these, the way that they are made, you don't want to be using around chemicals or around heavy machinery and all that good stuff. So they give you this silicone ring so that you can use in place of your actual wedding band. So you won't damage it, you won't get chemicals all over it, you won't smash your finger or anything like that. You can order these separately, so if you end up losing this or ripping it or breaking it, you can order another one. This is a very high quality silicone. I've noticed with my skin, no silicone ring is without fault, which includes this. I think my skin is just very sensitive when it comes to silicone. If I leave a silicone ring on for more than a couple of days, it actually ends up like irritating and almost blistering the skin underneath here. But like I said, I've tried a bunch of silicone rings and they all do the same thing to me. So if you are sensitive to silicone, just make sure you take it off every couple of days or every other day, so that you can let it breathe and all that good stuff. So I do really like this ring. I really appreciate that they give it to you with the ring that you order. It is sized the exact same as what you ordered for your regular ring. So again, this is your wingman that comes with every single ring that you order. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, my review on the Journeyman. The Journeyman. This ring, I think, is probably the best value in Manly Bands' collection. Reason I say that is this is a tungsten band, okay, just like the Rockstar. This is a tungsten band, but it's plated with 18 karat rose gold. It has inlay of koa wood, turquoise, and antler. So like deer antler. So you've got 3 different inlays in here. Like, it's just incredible. The value, the look, it's just super unique, and the colors are awesome. So one of the things that Manly Bands does on this ring specifically, or really any of the antler inlaid rings, is they give you a choice between light, medium, or dark for the antler. So this is obviously a light colored antler. It's mostly just white with a little bit of black in there. But then the medium, or the mixed, is a mix of both black and brown and white, and sometimes has some different shades in there as well. But this is the light. They have that medium, but then they have a dark, which is just mostly brown and black on the antler. So because the antler is natural, you know, they're not staining it, they're not tinting it or anything like that. It's however it is natural. So you can choose between the light, medium, and dark on the antler. And that goes for any of their antler rings, not just this one. But like I said, with the tungsten, the 18 karat rose gold in here, this is probably by far the best value there is. If you use my 25% discount code, that brings the price down even more. Well, folks, that was my review of the Journeyman from Manly Bands. If you like this ring, please leave a comment down below. Are you going to order it? Or did you find something else on the Manly Bands website? Let me know which one you ordered or want to order in the comments down below. What did you like about this ring? Was there anything you would change about it? Remember, if any of the rings on Manly Bands' website aren't exactly the way you want it, you can use the custom build feature on Manly Bands' website to see how they could really bring your vision of a ring to life. Remember, you can use the link down in the description below or use this code here to get 25% off your Manly Bands order. Thank you so much for watching. This is Josh with Shua Photography. We'll see you in the next one.